Hello you guys, welcome back to my channels. Today I have a dating with my husband. So let's get ready with me. Today weather pretty hot, so I gonna wear that cotton punchings tank top. You guys can see the details punchings, and it's really thin. We're gonna wear from bottom, and also cotton leggings shirts, really comfortable and really cooler. Shoes for Vans Skate 8 high tops. I'm gonna match with my black socks. Jewelry from Tiffany necklace bracelet set and Pandora bracelet I add. And Vivian Westwood tartan check shoulder bag. So let's go.